Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Buck Does It. Today we're going to make sure we have tail lights, and also I'm going to replace the trunk seal. More parts I got with the car. So let's. I already was in here. Need to check. Got the power probe in case I need it. I left all the bulbs out. Parking lights. Aha, turn signal's acting up. I'll tell you why, because I don't have a complete circuit. Let me see, I think it goes in this way. Oh, wrong way. There we go. We got the bulb out over here too. Got all the parking lights over here, so we need to check the other one over there. Let me make sure I have all right, we're signaling. Okay, I got the power probe hooked up. Now with this you can add, let me shut the beeper off. You can add power to it. That's the red light. And you can add ground to it if you need to. That's the green light. Now you can also go in here and check. This is all corroded is what the problem is. There's my ground, but I don't have the 12 volts. See, that's why it won't light up. But I got 10.9. So as I mess with this, I'm gonna have to. I have some DeOxit cleaner. As I mess with the bulb, I have to clean this. I have to clean this socket or replace it. It's working pretty good. So that'd be that. So we got all the lights working back here. Also do have reverse lights. Reverse lights too. This car's been too good to me. I better shut up. Knock on wood. All right, my DeOxit came in. It's an expensive little can, like 27 bucks with the tax, but it's supposed to remove oxidation, improves connection, seals, and protects. So I figured this thing's been sitting for so long, I probably have a lot of connections that are corroded. All right, a little squirt. And I run the bulb in and out a couple times. Turn the light on. Make sure we got lightage, and we do. Set it and forget it. All right, now that we got all the lights working, I have to adjust and tighten that up, and I have this just snug in there. I also was adjusting on the latch here, too, so she closes nice, and then I'll have to make sure that's even across there. See, this one's drooping a little, so get working on that, and take that seal off of there. I don't want to take it off till I'm ready to go back on, because that stuff's sticky, and it's like anise. It gets all over everything. Get them out of the way. And all these, there's little tabs on there to connect in. All right. So now, the old 60-mile-an-hour duct tape all over the place here. I wonder how many years it's going to take for that glue to dry up. I never expected that. I thought I was gonna have a wrestling match. I'll get some more tape in here. That's it. Right in the trash with you. That stuff is sticky. Alright. I'm gonna take my glove off because it's sticky. Not too shabby. Got some cleaning up to do. Ain't nothing, a little bit of carb cleaner, brush. Some of this stuff is going to stay. What I did here is I got a little bit of carb cleaner, or brake cleaner rather. And just went around and cleaned all the dirt out. Next I'll fit the rubber. And then I don't think I have enough weather strip adhesive. But I do have more coming in. Like I said, that stuff is sticky and it gets everywhere. I didn't think the old tub of towels would do it. But you can still see the line there. And we got all the black stuff on. I mean, at first it didn't seem like it was going, but after I let her soak in a little bit, hey man, took that tar right, or that adhesive right off of there. I don't even know if I'm gonna need adhesive because this thing here is just going on and staying there real nice. Now I'll let it sit and relax. Got my arm again. Okay, we made it to the end here. This here's for a couple different cars, so I'll have to trim it, but I want to make sure I have it where I need it to be before I go doing any trimming. So I'm going to let it on here and relax for a while, and then go around and make sure everything's okay, and then I'll trim it. Alright, I trimmed it up best that I can do anyway. And they give you a little rubber to put in between here. My weather stripping adhesive that I have left is no good. I want to see if I can put this together here, and then when I get some in, nope, it's like washing a dog. So I guess I need some weather strip adhesive, and then it'll slip in a little easier. Anyway, let's just put this in here, like this, for now. Not too shabby. Okay, what I did is I tighten all the screws up. That's the hardest part about this whole job. I didn't take it apart, so I don't know where these go, but I think they work best on the bottom. I have all those tightened up. Lined up the trunk the best I can. I want to keep it a little tight with the new seal, but taillights look pretty straight now. The bumper filler, I was messing with that. I don't believe I have all the right parts. That's the least of my worries. I got other things to take care of. So that's that. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ring the notification bell if you want to be notified. Remember, be good. You can't be good, be kind. See ya.